মুছে যাক গ্লানি, ঘুচে যাক জরা, অগ্নি স্নানে সূচি হোক ধরা. With this thought in our mind, let us start today's class. Today I have brought for you The Tempest. Today I'll be discussing Act 1, Scene 2. This is one of the most important scene of the drama because this scene will introduce most of the characters to us. In this scene, we have 5 important parts. First one is Prospero and Miranda. Next, Prospero and Ariel. Then Prospero and Caliban. Then Ariel and Ferdinand. And finally, Ferdinand and Miranda. But the most important part of this scene is where Prospero and Miranda is engaging in a conversation. Having seen the shipwrecked, Miranda's heart melted. She went to her father. She thought that actually this storm is created by the magical art of his father. She requested her not to harm any of the passengers board on the ship. Having listened to Miranda's words, Prospero understood the condition of her heart, and Prospero assured her that no harm would be done to the passengers boarded on the ship. Then she told her about the purpose of this incident. Gradually, he started revealing the truth in front of her. She told that as the cries of the passengers were painful, she could not endure, and that's why she is requesting her father. But Prospero said that the truth is Antonio is his brother, and he forcefully asserted him to get his title and throne from him. And further, he started disclosing the truths.